Introduction. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping industries and revolutionizing the workforce. As robots become more sophisticated, there is growing concern and fascination about their role in the workplace. Will robots replace human workers? Or can humans and robots collaborate to create a more efficient, innovative, and productive environment? The future of employment lies in the balance between these two forces, humans and robots working together. The evolution of robotic workers. Robotic technology has come a long way from the early industrial machines. Today, robots are capable of performing complex tasks that once required human dexterity and intelligence. These robots are not limited to factory floors. They are making their way into offices, healthcare, retail, and even customer service. Industrial robots. These robots excel in manufacturing, where they can perform repetitive tasks like assembly, welding, and packaging with incredible precision and speed. Collaborative robots, cobots. Unlike traditional robots, cobots are designed to work alongside humans, sharing tasks without the need for physical barriers or safety zones. Service robots. In sectors like healthcare and retail, robots assist in tasks such as patient care, delivery, and customer interaction. The role of humans in a robotic workforce. Despite the advancements in robotic technology, the human element remains essential. Robots are highly effective at automating repetitive and dangerous tasks, but they still lack the creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability that humans bring to the table. The future of employment is not about robots replacing humans. Rather, it's about humans and robots collaborating to enhance each other's capabilities. Creative and strategic roles. Humans will continue to lead in fields requiring innovation, problem-solving, and decision-making. Robots can provide the data and insights, but humans will use these tools to develop new strategies and ideas. Emotional intelligence and customer interaction. While robots can assist with routine customer service inquiries, humans are irreplaceable when it comes to handling complex, sensitive, or emotionally charged situations. Overseeing automation. As automation grows, there will be an increasing need for human workers who can manage, troubleshoot, and improve robotic systems. Benefits of human-robot collaboration. The collaboration between robots and humans offers numerous advantages for businesses and workers alike. Increased productivity. Robots can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more value-added activities. This leads to higher efficiency and productivity. Enhanced safety. Robots can take on hazardous tasks that may put human workers at risk, such as working with dangerous chemicals or heavy machinery. Cost savings. Businesses can reduce operational costs by using robots for tasks that would otherwise require a larger human workforce. Job creation. While automation may reduce the need for certain low-skill jobs, it also creates new opportunities in fields like robot maintenance, programming, and oversight. Challenges to overcome. While the future of human-robot collaboration looks promising, there are several challenges that need to be addressed. Job displacement. Some workers may lose their jobs as robots take over routine tasks. It's important to implement retraining and reskilling programs to ensure that displaced workers can transition into new roles. Ethical concerns. As robots become more autonomous, questions about their ethical use and the impact on human rights will become more pressing. Security risks. With increased automation comes a greater need for cybersecurity to prevent hacking or misuse of robotic systems. Preparing for the future workforce. As the future of employment evolves, businesses, workers, and governments must work together to prepare for the challenges and opportunities presented by robotic workers. Education and training. Preparing workers for the future means equipping them with the skills needed to work alongside robots. This includes technical training, problem-solving, and adaptability. Policy and regulation. Governments must create policies that balance the benefits of automation with the protection of workers' rights. This includes addressing job displacement and ensuring fair wages. Emphasizing collaboration. Businesses must foster a culture of collaboration between humans and robots, ensuring that employees feel empowered to work alongside automation rather than being replaced by it. Customer interaction and empathy. While robots excel at technical tasks, the human touch remains critical in industries requiring empathy and nuanced communication. For instance, in therapy or customer service, robots may provide information or help with initial queries, but human employees are needed to manage emotional complexity, resolve conflicts, and deliver personalized experiences. As such, Customer-facing roles will evolve to become more about emotional intelligence and relationship building, areas where robots still cannot compete. Potential benefits of human-robot collaboration. Increased productivity and efficiency. By automating mundane, time-consuming tasks, robots can help humans focus on higher-level responsibilities. For example, in manufacturing, robots can work around the clock, increasing productivity, while humans provide oversight and expertise when complex issues arise. In customer service, robots can assist with simple inquiries, allowing humans to focus on complicated issues. Job creation in new industries. While automation may reduce the demand for some types of jobs, it will also create new opportunities. Roles will emerge in fields like AI and robotics programming, robot maintenance, data analysis, and human-robot interaction design. As robots become more integrated into various industries, workers with the right skills will be in demand to ensure the smooth operation of robotic systems. Better work-life balance. With robots handling repetitive tasks, human workers may experience a better work-life balance. With robots taking care of the grunt work, humans can focus on higher-value, more fulfilling tasks, reducing burnout and stress in the workplace. Additionally, the rise of flexible jobs, such as remote work and gig-based roles, is another outcome of automation, making employment opportunities more accessible. Global impact. As robots improve efficiency and reduce costs, businesses are expected to see increased profitability. These gains can have far-reaching effects, including lower product prices and the ability to invest in more sustainable practices, like energy-efficient machines. Additionally, robots in industries like agriculture can help improve food security by making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive, particularly in regions with aging workforces. Challenges and concerns of robot integration. While the benefits of robots are significant, there are several challenges that need to be addressed to make human-robot collaboration successful. Job displacement and economic disruption. The fear of widespread job loss due to automation remains a primary concern. Industries that rely heavily on manual labor may see displacement in traditional roles, such as warehouse workers or assembly line operators. As automation continues to expand, it's vital for governments and businesses to invest in retraining and reskilling programs that can help displaced workers transition to new, tech-driven roles. The digital divide. Access to automation technology may be uneven, particularly between developed and developing countries. The digital divide can lead to inequalities in employment opportunities, with more highly skilled workers in wealthier regions reaping the rewards of automation, while workers in developing areas may struggle with fewer resources and opportunities. Ethical and social issues. The rise of autonomous robots also brings ethical considerations, such as data privacy, accountability, and security. As robots become more intelligent, there will be growing concerns about their potential misuse, from surveillance to weaponization. Ethical guidelines and regulations must be put in place to prevent misuse and ensure that robots are used for the benefit of society. Human trust in robots. Successful human-robot collaboration depends on human workers trusting the systems they interact with. Trust issues arise when robots malfunction or make mistakes that affect important outcomes. Overcoming these barriers will require transparent training for employees and ongoing robot system improvements to ensure reliability. The future of employment is not defined by the battle between humans and robots, but by the harmony they can achieve together. Rather than competing for the same space, robots and humans are poised to complement one another in unprecedented ways, creating a dynamic workforce where efficiency meets creativity and precision meets empathy. Imagine a world where the mundane, repetitive tasks that drain human potential are taken over by machines, while people focus on innovation, strategy, and human connection. In this future, workers are not replaced, but rather liberated to explore new dimensions of their roles, becoming problem solvers, creators, and visionaries who drive progress in ways that robots, no matter how advanced, cannot. The key to this future lies in the ability to integrate robotics thoughtfully and ethically into our workplaces. As we navigate this transformation, the most successful societies will be those that invest in education, adapt to change, and cultivate a culture of collaboration. By preparing the workforce with new skills, fostering trust between humans and technology, and establishing frameworks for ethical AI use, we can ensure that this new era benefits everyone. Instead of fearing robots as competitors, we should see them as our partners in the pursuit of a future where the work we do is more meaningful, more impactful, and ultimately more human. How does that feel? It wraps up the key themes with a forward-thinking and optimistic view of the future. Let me know if you'd like to tweak any part of it.